Hi all, this is video number 2. Lecture series video number 2. Will be having called pandas basics. Next, first thing is we are going to import pandas as PD. That is the continuation of video number 1. That is first we are going to see pandas. In this value we have a data of A 1, 2 and the value of B, the data of B consists of 3, 4. So we are going to import the value of df equal to data frame of data. In this value the output will be A will be having 1 and 2 and B will be having 3 and 4. Next, we are going to see our Matplotlib library. That is, we are going to plot the variables of x and y coordinates. So, for this, we will be using the term called Matplot library. So, import matplotlib.pylot as a PLT. This is a PLT is a keyword term we are going to use. Just that is, we will be having the plot. In this plot, we are consisting of 1, 2, 3, 4. So, first plot consists of x, y. In x, y, x value is 1 and y value is 2. Whereas second plot consists of x value is 3 and y value equal to 4. So, we'll be having a plot that shows. So, it shows the value of xy coordinates of 1, 2 and 3, 4 and b coordinates of and next coordinates of 3, 4. So, it plots in the x and y coordinates. Next, we are going to see about term called Seaborn example. In the Seaborn example, we are going to declare. We are going to import a term called Seaborn. This Seaborn is actually using the term called SNS. That is, SNS used for importing. So we'll be using the for declaring or for getting user-defined variables or predefined functions. We'll be using the keyword called SNS instead of Seaborn. As well as we seen earlier, they will be using the PLT instead of Matplotlib. So we are going to have a data set. You are going to data set. You are going to data set from the term called iris. This iris is nothing but you are going to have a numerous number of data based upon eyeball of an human, of an animal, or of an animal. So we are going to have the pair. That is, we are going to pair the plot. That's SNS.pair plot. So we will be having data, and we are going to use for example, when we give an eyeball as a data set, it says which species is this. So based on this eyeball, data, with this it shows the species and it shows the values. This is what the program is being given. In this program, the main thing we want to see is that we are going to declare import Seaborn as SNS and import Matplotlib as pilot as a pyplot as a PLT. Next, we are going to use a data, that is SNS.load dataset is nothing but iris. Next, we are going to SNS.pair plot of data u equal to species. So it checks whether the given data is nothing but is in which species is it. So it shows based on iris, it shows the plot show. Hence, Seaborn example has been seen. Next, we are going to see about, we are going to have a loading data, that is comma separated value, that is the CSV. A CSV is nothing but it will be all the normally we have Excel file. This Excel file will be using in the term of, for example, we are going to have a Python programming. We must implement the Excel program in the form of CSV. CSV is comma separated value. So it you are going to read the PDF.read CSV. You are going to have data.csv is there. In the data of the CSV, you are going to see a head. It shows the top of the data. Which are data is the top? It will be printing the data in the top of the data. Next, we are going to have a term called data cleaning. In data cleaning, we will be using the df, that is drop not in place of true. The column is nothing df of column as type of int. So in place of true, we are going to have a column. This column is nothing which type. For example, it is whether in case it is true, in case it is integer value. So in place of true, the column is type is integer. So it data cleans the value. So it automatically cleans without any manual interruptions. So this is a call of data cleaning. Next is a descriptive status. So for example, we are going to give the column value constant where it says integer or float or constant. So it's where descriptive statistics will be there. So it will be printing data descriptive. Next, we are going to have data visualization. That is historical. That is HIST says the historical bars or columns or a plot slot of thing. We will be using column. For example, we will be giving the given column in the form of CSV file. Based on CSV file, it plots the value either in a bar chart or pie chart or sort of thing. So it will be very useful to it. Hence, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.